In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Descent G1 series watch. First, press the light button on the top left to power on your watch. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Then press the Start/Stop button on the upper right to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. If you already have the Garmin Dive app installed, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, you will now need to download the Garmin Dive app onto your compatible smartphone. In this video, we'll be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on Android devices. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Dive app. If you have already set up the Garmin Connect app, the Dive app will recognize your account and you can select Continue. Otherwise, select Sign In or Create a new account. Then agree to the End User License Agreement and hit Next. Now enter your account credentials and tap Next. Once prompted, select Connect a Garmin device to connect the app with your watch. When the app recognizes your watch, select Connect it. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to enter in the Garmin Dive app. When prompted to use your current location, select Allow while using app. Select Allow to enable Apple iPhone notifications to appear on your Descent G1. Select OK to allow your watch access to your Apple iPhone's calendar. Then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish Now. To finish setup, read through the watch terms and conditions, then press down to accept. Before diving, be sure to fully charge the watch. Now that your watch and phone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. As you first start using the watch, helpful tips will display, enabling you to learn more about the watch. Now let's talk about the button overview of your new Descent G1 watch. The Descent G1 watch has 5 buttons. Each can be pressed or held for different actions. The watch bezel has labels for many of these functions. Let's start with the light control button on the top left of the watch. Pressing this button will power on your watch. While your watch is on, pressing this button will turn the backlight on or off. Holding this button will show the controls menu. The controls menu provides quick access to frequently used functions, such as Do Not Disturb mode, the battery saver feature, cool mode, and turning the watch off. To learn more about this feature, see our controls and hotkeys video. Let's move to the Start/Stop button on the top right of the watch. Press the Start/Stop button to view the activities and apps list. We will cover the activity list later in this video. You can also press the Start/Stop button to select on-screen options. Hold the Start/Stop button to view the clock's menu, where you can set and view alarms, timers, time zones, and more. Next is the Back button in the lower right of the watch. Pressing this button will return you to the previous screen. Holding the button will return you to the watch face. The Down button is in the bottom left of the watch. Press this button to scroll through the glance loop and menus. To learn more about your glance loop, see our Customizing the Watch Face and Widget Loop video. Hold this button to view the altimeter, barometer, and compass, also known as the ABC screen. The Up menu button is on the middle left side of the watch. Press this button to scroll through the glance loop or other menus. Hold this button to view the menu. From the menu, you can customize the watch face, adjust settings, and pair wireless sensors. To get to your activity list, press the Start/Stop button. The Descent G1 Series watch will have a preset list of activities that align with diving. However, you can always scroll to the bottom of the list and select Add to add additional activities. To start an activity, press the Start/Stop button. Once you've acquired a GPS signal, press the Start/Stop button again to begin the activity. Dive activities will begin with your descent. Here you can scroll through your data fields while the activity is on. To learn how to customize the data fields on your Descent G1 watch, see our Customizing Data Screens video. And that's it. Your Garmin Descent G1 Series watch is now set up. To learn more about your Descent watch, please watch our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.